I've made thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing on TikTok, and in this video, I'm going to show you 2 simple ways that you can get started and do it too. The 2 ways that I reveal in this video will work with any niche, and you can do this regardless of the follower count or the size of your channel. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. Before we get into the 2 ways that you can start earning affiliate commissions on TikTok, I want to first share with you a story of how I earned my first affiliate commission with almost 500 followers. See, this was back before TikTok allowed YouTube links, Instagram links, or even links in your bio. And so basically what you had to do is you had to create content and then encourage them to leave the platform and go to your website. And so that's exactly what I did. I actually created TikTok videos talking to people's pain points that wanted to change their life for the better. And so I'd create simple 15-second videos. You couldn't create 1-minute videos at the time. And then at the bottom of my videos, I'd have a link to my website, alstongodbolt.com. So all of my videos followed a very similar process. They would have a hook, something to encourage the viewer to keep watching. I would tell a short story, and then I would make an offer. The offer would be a free ebook or lead magnet at my website, alstongodbolt.com. As I continued to do that, I slowly started building a following of followers and adding to my mailing list. And again, this is something that anybody can do. Quite honestly, you actually have it a little bit easier now because once you have 1,000 followers, you can put a link in your bio, and you can even use YouTube or Instagram to help move that process a little faster. Now that you see it's possible that you can earn affiliate commissions without any following, let's go ahead and look at the 2 different ways that you can start earning affiliate commissions on TikTok. The first method I'm going to reveal takes about 5 steps. The first step is the most important because it's going to shape and mold all future steps going forward. Step number 1 is to choose what you want to be known for. Some people call that picking a niche, but I find that to be a little too confusing. Just figure out something you want to be known for. You can choose any interest, hobby, or passion, or even something that you do all day at work. For example, you could want to be known for golfing, pickleball, or even Microsoft Excel. Once you choose what you want to be known for, it's very important that you stay within this topic in the very beginning. In the very beginning, we do not want to branch out and talk about other things outside of what we want to be known for. We want to build what's called a core following, and the best way to do that is to stay on topic and stay on task. Now, it's very important that you don't overthink what you want to be known for. Literally any niche will work. The only thing that matters is it's important to you and it's something that you'll feel comfortable talking about for weeks, months, and even years from now. Also remember, there's no perfect niche and every single niche has competition. Now that you have decided what you want to be known for, step number 2 is to find affiliate program. The easiest way to find affiliate programs is simply to just Google your niche or what do you want to be known for and affiliate program. For example, if you're in the weight loss space, Google weight loss affiliate programs and all sorts of websites will pop up. Now you want to try and find affiliate programs that meet these metrics. First, you want to find an affiliate program that has an earnings per click of $2 or more. Also, you want to find affiliate programs that pay out at least a 10% commission. And finally, you want to find affiliate programs that have at least a 7-day cookie window. Also, I recommend applying to at least 5 different affiliate programs. When you're applying to these different affiliate programs, there's going to be a question on there that says, why should we partner with you as an affiliate? Here, you're simply going to write your business plan. Quite honestly, these companies don't know you or your business practices, so it's going to be very important that you're detailed in answering this question. First, you're going to tell them your experience with affiliate marketing and making money online. And quite honestly, be honest. Next, you are going to lay out step by step how you plan to market their product. You can actually use the template that I'll reveal later in this video as a formula or template to explain how you plan on marketing their products. It's very important here that you be as thorough as possible. Again, they only know you by what you write down and your social media profiles. Now, a few are going to reject you, and that's okay. We're still going to push forward and create the content. If somebody rejects you, you can always find a different affiliate program, or you can just reapply a little bit later. Once you apply to 5 or more affiliate programs, the next step is to generate content ideas. And here, you're simply going to write down these items with regard to your target audience. You're going to write down their pain points, dreams, goals, challenges, and things that they're thinking but are afraid to say out loud. Ideally, you want to create a list of 10 bullet points for each item. In addition, you're going to follow 10 to 20 people that are already in the niche that you want to be known for. Be sure to follow everyone that has at least 10,000 followers. The reason why you want to follow these accounts is because you're going to be looking at these accounts for ideas and inspiration. You're not going to copy, you're not going to steal, you're not going to cheat, you're just looking for ideas and inspiration. You're looking to see which hooks work the best. I'll explain more on hooks later. You can also use their posts to seed the growth of your YouTube profile. You can also use their profiles to seed the growth of your TikTok accounts. If you want more followers, you are simply going to engage on their posts that don't have any responses or comments from the original creator. You're simply going to answer 2 or 3 questions per day, and before you know it, you're going to start building a following of people that appreciate you answering their questions. And in the very beginning, I recommend that you create at least 3 pieces of content per day. 1 video will be from the list above, 1 video will be a video responding to a comment, and 1 video you'll take advantage of a trending topic or idea. Now there's a few ways that you can find trending topics. One way is to look at videos that have similar content that keep popping up on your For You page. The final way is to look and see what's trending or popular on Google Trends. Now each video needs to have 3 components: a hook, story, and offer. A hook is an audio and visual loop that is designed to draw the viewer in. For example, you can ask a rhetorical question, you could make a bold statement, or you can simply show something that the viewer isn't quite expecting. For example, a good hook for someone in the golf niche might be, are you tired of your friends out driving you by 20 yards? Or are you tired of your friends laughing at you because you hit off the short tees? If you decide to use that hook, you could then pair it with someone that is struggling to hit the ball off the tee and their friends in the background laughing at them. The story is a short video answering the question or paying off the bold statement. For example, your story could be, here are 3 simple ways that you could outdrive your friends on your next golf outing. Then you just provide the 3 tips. The final step is the offer. The offer is simply a call to action to take the next step. The offer could be follow for more, check out my free lead magnet on Instagram, or send me a DM if you have any questions. The final step in this process is converting views into money. And here's where it gets fun, because you have a few different options. If you have less than 1,000 followers on TikTok, you're not able to add a link to your landing page, and so you would send people either to YouTube or Instagram. If you link to your YouTube channel, you're going to want to make 1 video that is longer, kind of like a webinar. Inside of that 1 video, you are going to add a link to your landing page and refer to the landing page so people can learn more and join your mailing list. If you have more than 1,000 followers, I recommend putting a link to your mailing list in the bio of your TikTok account. If you truly want to be successful with affiliate marketing, you need to do email marketing. And if you aren't doing email marketing yet, check out the first link in the description where you can get started with email marketing for as little as $9 per month. The second way to make money with TikTok and affiliate marketing is by joining the TikTok Shop affiliate program. The TikTok Shop affiliate program allows you to create content about products that are offered in the TikTok Shop and then add a button in the bottom of all of your videos. If a viewer clicks on the button and purchases the product, you earn a commission. One drawback of the TikTok Shop affiliate program is you do need at least 5,000 followers in order to join. There are also a few other requirements, like your account needs to be in good standing and you need to have uploaded videos pretty recently. I recently spent about $100 to buy followers to join the TikTok Shop affiliate program on one of my accounts to test to see if I could make that money back. Since I am new to that TikTok Shop affiliate program, I'm going to buy products from Amazon that are similar or the same as the ones offered on TikTok, and I'm going to create about 5 videos for each product. 1 video is going to be an unboxing video. I'm going to create 2 videos discussing the different features of that product. 1 video will be a comparison video where I'm comparing a product that is offered on Amazon to the product that's offered on TikTok Shop. And then the final video is going to be a price comparison video. And just like the other way with affiliate marketing, I intend on uploading 3 videos per day. The cool thing with TikTok Shop affiliate program is that you can request samples for free. However, if you're just getting started with this method, you'll probably be declined. As I mentioned a little bit earlier, I actually recommend that you go buy products from Amazon and then review them and talk about them as if you purchased them right from TikTok. The reason why this works is because all of the products are essentially the same. They're just private labeled. And basically what that means is a regular person like you or me will buy a product and just change the name from G-Bolt Systems to maybe like Alston Godbolt Solutions. It's the same product, it just has a different name. Comment down below yes if you want me to create future videos of me updating you on my progress with the TikTok Shop affiliate program. Now that you know 2 different ways that you can make money with TikTok and affiliate marketing, watch this video next as I put together a free 5-hour masterclass that will show you how to monetize your social media step by step.